Hello, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My name is Hannah, and today I wanted to show you guys my easy go-to no makeup look for summer. This is what I like to do in the summer when I want to wear a little bit of makeup but still keep it on the more natural side. So if you guys want to see how I got this cute little no makeup look, then keep watching. Okay, so I already washed my face. I exfoliated this morning. I used a gua sha, and I have a tiny bit of moisturizer on. So this is what I like to do on days that I want to look a little more natural and not so like glam. Also, do you guys like my hair? I've been using my hair waver and I'm obsessed with it, especially for summer. It just looks so like beachy and fun. And I want to keep my makeup like beachy, natural, no makeup look. So this is what I do when I want to like look a little bit better but still look natural. I'm gonna take a little bit of foundation and just put a tiny bit on my face, like a tiny bit. And sometimes I'll even like spot correct, just put it on like my spots. But basically I just want to put the smallest amount just to kind of even out my skin tone a little bit. I don't want like heavy foundation on. I just really want to even out my skin tone because my skin tone is a little uneven, and also I just feel like I look so much better when I have some color in my face because naturally I'm just very fair and I do have a little bit of a tan going on in my body, but my face does not get tan like my body does, especially because I wear sunscreen on my face most of the time. But I'm just gonna apply a tiny bit, like the smallest bit of foundation so that my skin tone just looks even and I get some color. Sometimes I won't even do this step, to be honest, especially if I'm like going to the beach and I don't want my face to like, you know, my foundation to like melt off. If I'm going to the beach or the pool, sometimes I'll just do blush and lip gloss, which I'm about to do next, so you'll see. Okay, so now I've done my foundation, just a really sheer thin layer. I'm gonna go in with blush. Look at this PR package. This is from Pixi. So cute, right? So cute. They sent me the On The Glow blush, which I've never tried this one, but we're gonna try it today. I'm gonna be using this one right here. Cute PR package. Look at this. So cute. So this one is in the shade Ruby, and this is a cheek tint. You can use it on your lips or your cheeks. Kind of looks like a deodorant, and I've never tried this before, so I'm pretty excited. Normally I would use blush. Look at that's cute. Normally I would use blush, but just not this one, but I wanted to try this one today. So I'm going to apply it to the highest points of my cheeks because that's where I like to apply my blush lately. And then I'm going to take this brush and just lightly blend that out. Just soften it to give myself like a cute little sun-kissed look without the skin damage. You know? So cute. Sometimes I will go in and just apply this directly to my brush like this and just build the color a little bit. And I'm bringing it in closer to my nose to give me like, again, that like sun-kissed, almost like sunburnt look. And then for the same effect, applying it to the bridge of my nose. And then sometimes I'll apply it up here to my forehead, maybe a little on my chin. If I feel like it's too intense, I will buff it out a little bit with the same brush that I applied my foundation with. Maybe I want it to be a little deeper on that right here, so I'll apply. Don't be afraid of blush. Blush is fun, and I feel like it loses pigment throughout the day, so definitely don't be afraid to apply a lot. Okay, and then what I do is not much more, but I do take my lip liner because I just want to accentuate my lips a tiny bit, and I'll really lightly overline them just a little bit out here on the outer corner. And then I'll kind of just blend it up into my lip a little bit. Then I'll take my finger and just buff it out because I don't want like a harsh line because I want my lips to look natural. I don't really want them to look overlined, but it just accentuates them a little bit, especially because I have a little bit of foundation on them now. Now they look a little plumper. And then I'll do the same up here and then take my finger to just kind of blend it a little bit. So nothing too crazy, but it definitely just accentuates my lips, kind of contouring them, if you will. And then I'm going to take the same little lip and cheek stain, and I just apply it to the center of my lip, almost like I just ate a red popsicle, and then just kind of again blend that out with my finger. Okay, and then I'm going to take this Makeup Academy little lippy pencil. I've had this for a really long time, and I'm just going to lightly apply some on the outer part of my lip, kind of like where I applied that lip liner, just for some added color. But I still want to keep my lips looking fairly, you know, natural, but like accentuated, because my lips are a little on the smaller side now. And then a little bit more of this. And then sometimes if you want, you can like fluff up your brows a little bit. I personally don't like to do that when I'm trying to keep it natural, because I feel like when I start messing with my brows, they end up looking like done, and I don't want my brows to look done. I want to look like I don't have makeup on, you know? And I'm also not going to do any mascara. That's just what I like to do on days that I want to keep kind of like a natural vibe. You know, that like no makeup look. This is what I do. Okay, and then I'm going to go in with my Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. And I'm just going to set this. I'm not going to be using any setting powder because I want it to look as natural as possible. So I don't want it to look dry or cakey. I want it to look like my skin, which it pretty much does, even though I do have a thin layer of foundation. And that's it. That's my no makeup look. I love it in combination with this like wavy beach hair. I don't know. I just think it's so cute and it's so easy, and it really only takes me like 5 minutes when I'm not sitting here explaining it. But this is what I'll do when I just want to throw on a little bit of makeup, but I still want to look on the more natural side. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial. If you did, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!